Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair this Lenovo smart clock as a Bluetooth speaker. So at the first we have to click and hold these two buttons, the volume up button and the clock button together until these indicators on the front start blinking like that. It will take about 3 or 4 seconds by holding them. So click and hold and just take a look right here on the screen. It will start blinking like that after this 3-4 seconds. You will also hear this notification sound. After that, on your smartphone, iPhone or Android, click to pair new device. Take a look on available devices list. In my case, the name is the bathroom speaker. Tap on it once. Click pair. And as you can hear, we are connected. You can also find the active connection, and this indicator just disappear. That's how it looks. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.